Everyone, my name is Bhavya and I am here to perform 2 pitches solo act. Before performing, I will give you introduction to the characters. One is a dog whose name is Dookie, and he is really cold-hearted horse. He do not like to expose to someone. While his friend is a female dog named Nova, and she is very outgoing personality. She likes to talk to other person. She is garrulous, and now I am going to start the conversation between them. Dookie is drinking water while Nova comes from the behind of her office. Now, hey, why are you drinking water? मेरे भाई ने कल ड्रिल चला दी थी मेरे गले में. अब मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ मेरी फूड पाइप लीक तो नहीं कर रही. What are you saying? भाई मेरे को प्यास लग रही है तभी पी रहा हूँ ना. Okay यार, why are you so cold-hearted? You always scold me for just small things. Because you deserve it. Better. Oh, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. What's wrong with you? I'm getting hiccups. Oh, so do you know what's the story behind hiccups? No. Let me tell you. No, I don't want to know. Please? No. Okay, let me tell you that it's the story that if you're getting hiccups, then most probably someone is missing you or at least thinking of you. What? You're supposed to say something. What's this? Okay, it can be my mother who is missing me. Why your mother? You just left your home 2 hours ago. It can be my mother because I hadn't done the dishes. What? I am not talking about your mother. So it can be my father. Why? You just hung up his phone half an hour ago. Like, he's not missing me, I know, but he is thinking of those Amazon packages, and I ordered my stuff from there, from Amazon, and he must be thinking that how much money I spent on them. Your expenses are so expensive. Your father is not going to tolerate them at all. Okay. Well, I'm not talking about those people who are in your family or who are relatives. I'm talking about those people who just love... Stop! Stop, Nova. I don't love love. Please, don't talk to me about this love. No, please try to understand. Just tell me your strengths. I'll help you to figure out this. Just tell me about your strength. Well, my strengths are... Doctor calls me patient. What? Doctor calls you patient and that's your strength? Are you serious? Only in relationships. Thank you.
Quality.